Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the market.
Today, we've got something special for all you cord cutters out there. Are you tired of paying hefty cable bills and looking for a TV antenna that can deliver exceptional long-range reception?
Well, you're in luck because we're reviewing the 5-star outdoor HDTV antenna, known for its incredible performance and range. Stick around as we dive into its features, setup, and why it's the best choice for your TV needs.
Let's kick things off by unboxing the 5-star outdoor HDTV antenna. When you receive this package, you'll find everything you need for installation, including the antenna itself. A mounting bracket, a J-pole for easy installation, a TV splitter, and clear instructions for hassle-free setup. Now, let's talk about what makes this antenna stand out. The 5-star outdoor HDTV antenna is designed to receive crystal clear 1080p and 4K signals up to a staggering 200-mile range from TV transmitters. Whether you're in a rural area or surrounded by obstacles, this antenna's multi-directional design ensures superior reception for both VHF and UHF signals, making it a powerful alternative to costly cable or satellite subscriptions. What sets this antenna apart is its innovative design. With an extended antenna length and larger receiving elements, it guarantees stable and strong signal reception, even in challenging environments. It's built to withstand tough outdoor weather conditions and can be installed on your roof, attic, chimney, eave, mast, or anywhere outside your home. Worried about the installation process? Don't be. Setting up the 5-star antenna is a breeze. Just follow the included instructions, and you'll be up and running in no time. Plus, it comes with a J-pole for added convenience. You can even install it with or without a direct line of sight. Now, let's talk performance. With the 5-star antenna, you'll have access to free programming within a 200-mile range, depending on your local towers and conditions. Say goodbye to monthly bills and hello to top-rated shows, live sports, and local news in HD. You have a choice of 2 package options. The antenna with J-pole plus kit for $89.95 or the standalone antenna for $79.95. Both options offer exceptional value for your money and will help you enjoy free channels for years to come. But don't just take our word for it. The 5-star outdoor HDTV antenna has received rave reviews from satisfied customers. Many praise its ease of installation, impressive range, and picture quality. Some have even reported receiving more channels than expected. In conclusion, the 5-star outdoor HDTV antenna is a game-changer for anyone looking to cut the cord and enjoy free, high-quality TV programming. Its exceptional range, innovative design, and easy installation make it the best choice for long-range reception. So why wait? Say goodbye to cable bills and hello to free HD channels with this fantastic antenna. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the 5-star outdoor HDTV antenna, please leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.